Hi there. Welcome to the Health Leap Home Exercise Program Creator. My name is Ella. I can see that you are now in the process of creating and logging into your account. This tutorial video will help you set up your multi-factor authentication system. Multi-Factor Authentication, or MFA, is a security system that requires more than one method of authentication from independent categories of credentials to verify a user's identity for a login or other transaction. This process combines two or more independent credentials. 1. Password, what the user knows. 2. Security token, what the user has. 3. Biometric verification, what the user is. To secure your account, our website only requires two-factor authentication, the password, and the security token. MFA is an essential security measure that helps protect against unauthorized access, strengthens overall security posture, ensures compliance with regulations, and builds trust with users by safeguarding sensitive information. For those new to multi-factor authentication, here's a detailed guide on using Google Authenticator to generate your MFA codes. Whether you're familiar with MFA or not, this instructional video ensures everyone can secure their accounts effectively. This video provides a basic guide on using the Authenticator app to quickly access your account and start using the Health Leap HEP Creator. For detailed instructions, please refer to the full user manual or support resources. Before we dive in, it's crucial to note that this guide is purely instructional and not a promotional endorsement for any specific app. You're free to choose the MFA app you're most comfortable with. Now, let's cover the steps to set up and use MFA using the Google Authenticator app. 1. Open the App Store if you are using an iOS device. 2. Search for the Google Authenticator app and click Install or Get. 3. Open the app and click Get Started. 4. Sign in using your Gmail account to automatically back up your codes. This is important. 5. Click the Add a Code or a plus icon at the bottom right of the screen. 6. Select Scan a QR code. Your phone will prompt a message requesting access to the camera. Click OK. Scan the QR code displayed on the screen using your Authenticator app. The linked account will now appear in your app with the account name and a 6-digit code. 7. Copy the 6-digit code from the Authenticator app by pressing on the number and paste, or type it into the website MFA box. Click Verify OTP. As the code changes every 30 seconds, make sure to enter it promptly. You may now start using the HEP Creator. Multi-factor authentication is a critical security measure that adds an extra layer of protection, ensuring that even if one piece of your authentication data is compromised, unauthorized access is still prevented. And that's it. Ensure you have your preferred Authenticator app installed on your smartphone, as you'll need it every time you log into the website. In case you lose access to your Authenticator codes, you may send your email request for an MFA reset to contact@thehealthleap.ca. Thank you for watching this tutorial and looking forward to see you inside.